How to enable call recording in iPhone iOS in 2025. Enabling call recording on an iPhone running iOS can be tricky. First of all, launch the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on apps. Here search bar, tap on search phone app or scroll down, find the phone app, tap on it and then scroll down, tap on call recording. Call recording is toggle switched on. This allows you to use the phone app to record a conversation during the call, then save to the Notes app. An audio notification will automatically play before a recording begins. And that's it. These are the best way to record call on an iPhone in 2025. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.